Number 80, the Palawan.
Barangay ng Kalatigas.
Number
23, step back. Ang lalabigan ng Palawan.
Inside.
Huli ka.
Play number 77 in time. Play number 71 from the Pilot Congress. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Buster Son, let's get it on, let's play some basketball! At nagsisimula ng ating kwento, leader tayo naman, Pau, Angel Di Pasupil, Max Luperside, Max Pilitano. Yung ating talunan po agad ng ating kwento, is kasama na rin po ang ating kwento. Ipinagsasalan po ang sponsor.
He's opening for the second for the 21st Valley Festival Open Invitational Mayor GBD Basketball Tournament 2024. Nasa date na po tayo ng ating ball game. This is the game for team of Pilot Bombers up against for team of YG Sportswear for opening game. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 45, ang hari ng Panalay from the city of Love, jersey number 23, yung Birador or yung tubong taga Brooks Point, John Paul Madeja. Not this time. Angel number 77, Di Pasupil, kick out the birthday boy Isaiah De Los Reyes. We have only 5 seconds on the shot clock. Pong! 3 points. Isaiah De Los Reyes! Dalo ng birthday boy Isaiah De Los Reyes was brought to us at the sa atin ng Japo Sublimation, the official sponsor din ng Psycho SBS Governor's Cup Battalion at 21-year-old boy, good for 2 points. Ang De La Cruz, the MVP of Coconut Capital ng lalawigan ng Palawan. Inside, huli ka! Huli yung batang Dumareños ng hari ng Panalay Gaming. Outside jumper. Hindi tumama from the 3-point lane. Jersey number 19, the Palawan Ballers. Huli ng MVP, pero for that huli, meron ring nahuli yung gwapong officiating referee. Two minutes and 18. Frank De La Cruz, the MVP of Brooks Point. Game changer, kick out the birthday boy Isaiah De Los Reyes. Hinaharas itong Julius Daliana, the pride of Barangay ng Kalatigas. Number 23, step back, Pepe Madeja, pong! 3 points. What the step back para kay seconds remaining, 22-26. Number 7, Pau. Ibibigay kay Angel, the game changer. Boom! Boom! Basket for 3 points. Ibibigay kay Angel Di Pasupil, number 77, the game changer. Inside, huli ng habig, but yung hari ng Panalay, good for 2 points for Sinyasa. Batang Dumareños, but yung number 7, Geograpia. Not this time. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Number 14, traveling violation at 82 at number 14, subdivision.
Team Paktor. Ito rin isa sa mga butihing SK Kagawad ng Barangay ng Poblasyon. Sa ibibigay kay John Paul Pabila, number 7, Geograpia. 3 points. Dahlgren Geograpia, the pride. Patuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating magandang bakbakan for the second quarter of basketball action. Number 77, Angel Di Pasupil, the game changer. Nine minutes and 35 seconds, 40-44. Jersey number 18, Abig, the pride of Municipality of Taytay. Kuha nitong hari ng Panalay. Ibibigay si jersey number 7, Pau, the little dynamite, Shashoko. Good for 2 points for Pepe Madeja. 40-46, 6 point, number 45, Sinesa. Hey, sound check, sound.
8 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. And Madeha,
John Paul Madeha. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 01, AJ Bidalion, that 21-year-old boy. Yung 21-year-old boy, pasupil, 10 seconds on the shot clock. 42-48, cross-court pass, Pepe Madeha from Municipality of Brooks Point. Ang hari ng Panalay, Mark Sinasa. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz, finding Geografia. Habig, muling kumabig. Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. Yung 46-50, stolen from Timo Black Shirt, Angel. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points for Angel Di Pasupil for team of YG Sportswear. Kanyang kababayan din. Yung mga bayan ng Brooks Point, yung mga player ng bayan ng Brooks Point naglalaban for this basketball action. The birthday boy sending for Angel. Good for 2 points for Di Pasupil. At yun na nga, napatawag ng timeout for team of Pilot Bombers. Yung sariling atin. 4 minutes and 10, number 7, Angel again. Good for 2 points. Wala nang makakapigil. 4 minutes to go. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Number 18, Joshua Habig. Sending for number 21, AJ Bidalion. Good for 2 points. Yun. The pride of Imus Cavite Import, a 21-year-old boy, number 88, Baltar. Agawan ng buko, kuha ni Aisea de los Reyes, sending for the Palawan Bullers. Yun na naman yung Angel. Good for 2 points. Di Pasupil. 60 our running score. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Kick out. 10 seconds on the shot clock. AJ Bidalion. Good for 2 points. Shot clock. Joshua Habig, pass, break, pass, Mat! Bang! What a move! 15 seconds, Mike Ison see the Palawan Bowlers. Pero yung malaking batang Binetes, kick out, John Paul Madeha, fire for 3, nothing but net, punit, 3 points. The pride of Municipality of Brooks Point. Remaining, Mat Pilicano, bigay kay Joshua or kay number 01 Bidalion, stolen for Angel Di Pasupil, the game changer, Angel Di Pasupil. Number 13, Team Pactor, gumagapang yung bola para sa batang Team Pactor. Live na live pa rin po tayo sa ating Municipality Gymnasium na ginaganap na yung ating 21st Valley Festival. 30 seconds remaining time. Binetes, good for 2 points. Binetes, number 6, the pride of Rizal. Cross court, Mike Ison C. Basketball not count, basket not count.
Not counted. Or not counted po ang score natin.
Basketball action, labanan ng Pilot Bombers laban sa team ng YG Sportswear. A layup, good for 2 points, the birthday boy, Aisea de los Reyes. Aisea de los Reyes, good for 2 points, the birthday boy. Grabe yung handa ng birthday boy Aisea de los Reyes ng munisipyong Brooks Point.
Number 13, Team Pactor. United si Dan Sansonet, Baltar. Bulak kay Frank De La Cruz. Team Pactor.
Pactor, good for 2 points. Gaan nitong mga maliliit pero malulupit. Number 0, Abdurrahman, bigay sa loob. Good for 2 points for Aisea de los Reyes. Kung kanina, mga pansit palabok yung handa ng Aisea, ngayon may pa-take out pang 2 para sa grupo ng YJ. 8 minutes and 20, 57-71. Madeha from downtown, too strong. Aisea again, sapal. Dito mga naka-asul para sa team. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Tantan Pactor, good for 2 points. Former teammates itong John Paul Madeha ng Brooks Point. The Little Dynamite, put back, Abdurrahman. The pride of Municipality of Taytay, number 88, Baltar.
Score 53-73. Yaya de los Reyes.
Isaiah de los Reyes! Talagang sagana sa handa. Itong the birthday boy Isaiah de los Reyes. Kung kanina puro mga pansit palabok at spaghetti yung hinahain, ngayon may puto bumbong pa. 7 minutes to go, 59-75. 6 minutes and 55, Balgan and Geografia. Bang! 3 points! 14 seconds on the shot clock. Frank De La Cruz, par for 3 points! Frank De Number 77, Agent Buljak, wasak kung wasak, 3 points. We have only 8, 7, 6, 5. And that's the end for this last in the final quarter of the game. Score 79-88. Congratulations for team of YJ Sportswear.